Yeah, over 387, just past the rest area westbound. Subject pulled off on the side of the road over here.
Yeah. 1037.
He just tried to run me over. He's got some numbers in front of it, can't read it. I'll get it as soon as I get a chance. As soon as I got up to the window, he took off, knocked it to the ground.
Yeah.
27 Fort Smith, I'm going to get on 40 and go try to set up spots.
He's driving on the shoulder right now. I have a clearing up here. I should be able to get him.
383 still with you?
10-4, he's right behind me. I got an opening right here. I'm going to try to get him.
Beautiful.
Hit it.
31 120.
Fort Smith, he turned around, he's going the wrong way. I'm gonna have to go up, try to get turned around. Fort Smith, see if you can give me some more units coming from the westbound side.
Going into 19. Did he cross back over, or is he still in the wrong lane?
Well, got him right here. He crossed back around. Stand by. He's going the other way. No, he's on the eastbound side going westbound. Eastbound side going westbound. 387, I'm going to come back around. 387 tried to cut him off. He couldn't get him either. He can't go anywhere in between these two crossovers. If we can get some more units in here, we can get them boxed in.
Franklin County's got a unit en route from there, so.
10-4. 387, if I can get in front of him before he gets that crossover, I'm taking him out. 10-4. Fort Smith, if I can get up here, I'm going to try to take him out real fast.
27's at the 20 eastbound. What mile marker y'all at, James?
We're almost at the 29. He is coming around those sharp curves. Westbound and eastbound lane. He's coming across the median right now. He's off in the median.
31, I'm not going to be able to follow him much longer in this lane.
Westbound in the eastbound lanes.
Okay, we're coming. Now, did you say he was losing a tire or had lost one?
He hadn't lost it yet. He tried to stop a second ago, and he was having some issues. Alright, 387, is this you coming up on me? Fort Smith, I'm head on with this vehicle right now.
Cancel.
Get out of the vehicle! 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 Get out of the vehicle!
27 eastbound.
Cancel.
Get out of the car now! No! You're gonna fall out this window! Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Get out! I gotta see this guy. I got it. He's got cuffs. You got cuffs? I got him. You okay? No. Alright, back off. Back off. Hey, I got EMS coming for you, bud. Got him? Yeah. Alright. Hey, somebody, you guys get him. I'm gonna check on him. You alright, bud? Come up here. Come up here. Sit right here. Sit right here. You're good. Sit down. Sit right here. Just, you okay, bud? 27 Fort Smith, I need EMS for 31. We're 15.
27, I've got him coming.